What's up, YouTube? Bino SS in this thing. Just wanted to give you an update on the Monte 87 T-Tops. Got them switchback headlights. I got the sequential rear tail lights. You know what I mean? Let me show y'all what I'm on right now. Goddamn it, keep y'all updated. You feel me? For those that fucks with me, you feel me? Keep y'all updated, man. Keep y'all updated, man. Get that in there, baby. Get y'all updated. Okay. So we got the front Audi switchbacks in the front. LED. Got him wired up. We got the switchbacks in the rear. Let me show y'all what it do now. We got that left turn. Y'all see that switchback on there. To amber. Y'all seen? Y'all seen? What he doing in the back though? What he doing in the back though? It's that left turn right there. Let me hit the rights for y'all. To the right for y'all. Hit the right for y'all. Y'all see it, man. Just giving y'all a quick little update, man. Changing the game, man. Changing the game. What are you doing back here? Okay. I see what it is, man. Brake lights work out there, man. If I could show y'all, I'm a one-man squad, so if I could show y'all, I would. I did get them HIDs in there, them iceberg blues, them 8000K iceberg blue. HIDs in there, y'all see them, man. Y'all see them iceberg blue HIDs in there, man. Looking good. Make sure y'all subscribe, like. Let me know what I should do next, man. You know, I'm just balling on the budget, trying to get it together, man. Just trying to get it together, you feel me? Trying to get him together. I ain't doing too much, man, but it's come a long way from where I first started. But yeah, holler at me. Let me know what I should do next. Bino SS, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know what time it is, man.